Alright, welcome to my cooking show. Today we're going to be making some chagio, which is the Vietnamese fried spring rolls. So for the stuffings, we start off with some minced chicken breast. So and then some minced shrimps also. I'll put them all together. Some shiitake mushrooms, or you can also, as an alternative, you can also use wood ear mushrooms. Okay. Some garlic, okay. Minced garlic, and ginger. A little bit of pepper. Okay. So for the marinade, you have a little bit of brown sugar, fish sauce, okay, and a little bit of soy sauce. Mix it thoroughly. Okay, we're also going to be adding in some glass noodles, or what we call the mung bean noodles. Okay, so okay. Then we put in the marinade. Okay, so as an alternative, you can also use some chopped spring onions, so which I'm gonna do, so extra flavor. Okay. Okay. After this, just let it sit and marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes before we start wrapping it into the supposedly rice paper, but this time, during this time of pandemic, I can't find any rice paper, so I'm using the regular egg roll wrappers. Okay, all right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, so now while we're waiting for the chagio stuffings to marinate, we're gonna start making the sauce. So we start off with some brown sugar. Mix the garlic in. So this is the minced garlic. Okay, a little bit of fish sauce. Okay. And we want to make sure that we dissolve this thing. We dissolve the brown sugar into the fish sauce as much as we can. Okay, so far what's in here is brown sugar, fish sauce, minced garlic, and now we're gonna add in some vinegar. Okay. Mix it all together. Now we add in our fine julienne of carrots and fine julienne of daikon radish. Okay. We want to let it sit. We want to let this sit for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes before we add in some warm water. So that should complete the sauce. Also, we need to add in some lemon juice. Lemon or lime juice is okay. Okay, so we let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before we add in some warm water and also a little bit of soy sauce. Okay, so this sauce is called nok cham, which is the Vietnamese dipping sauce for the cha gio, which is the fried spring rolls. Vietnamese fried spring rolls. All right, so I'll see you in a bit. All right, so next thing we're gonna do for the cha gio is to wrap it up in the egg roll skin. So right here, for just to be able to seal the wrap, I have here some plain all-purpose flour mixed with a little bit of water, and then we're trying to until we can create the paste that we can use to seal these things. Okay, so after this, I take the egg roll skin, nice and clean egg roll skins. Put a little bit of this. Okay. Okay. Seal the sides. Okay. Okay. One more time. Okay. All right, so we'll wrap all these up and then I'll see you in a bit. All right, so now for the back to the nok cham. Now that it has been marinating for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we add in a little bit of soy sauce, just a little bit, and then some hot water. This is the dipping sauce for the fried spring rolls, and it should last in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. Okay. All right, so I'll see you later after I wrap the cha gio and then have them fried for you and then served. Okay, see you later. Okay, so now that I'm finished wrapping all of the cha gio, now it's time to fry them. So our oil here is hot already. So now we'll just dip it one at a time. Again, whenever you fry something, you don't want to overcrowd the pan, and usually you want to, each time you put one item from another, it's about 5 or 10 seconds in between, so that the oil gets to recover. Alright, so now that we're done frying these cha gio, okay, almost ready. Turn it off. Alright, so since these are fried, we're gonna let the excess oil drip off from the thing in a strainer while we rest them for a bit. So we'll be right back to plate these cha gio. Alright. Alright, so now for presentation, we just cut it slightly slanted in half. But sometimes when you go to a Vietnamese restaurant, traditionally, they don't cut it. They just serve it like whole. Okay, but so for presentation sake, we're gonna cut it. So after that, just plate it like this. So there you are. Cha gill with some nok chum. So bon appetit. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you on my next recipe.